Hi, my name is Graziela and I'm in 6th grade. For this year's science fair, my partner and I wanted to test how the temperature of the dye bath affects the dye brightness. So our hypothesis was that if you change the temperature of the dye bath into colder temperature, then the result will be brighter because the cold dye will only allow the cell to open up a little bit. And to test our hypothesis, we created a procedure. The materials we used were 2 boiled eggs, a cup of shoyu, 2 tablespoons of salt, and a bowl or container. So in the procedure, 2 eggs were boiled and set aside. Then we poured a cup of soy sauce at room temperature into a container with salt, the mordant. The eggs were placed in the container, and after 2 hours, we took out the eggs and peeled the eggshells. We took the pictures of the eggshells and used a website to find the hue, saturation, and brightness. These steps were repeated 2 more times, but with colder soy sauce from the refrigerator and a warmer soy sauce from the microwave. Here is a data table, and for each trial I calculated the hue, saturation, and the brightness. And I observed that when you have a high saturation, the color is dark, and when you have a high hue or brightness, the color is light. And as you can see here, the second trial with the cold temperature had a high brightness, and the third trial with a warm temperature had a very low brightness. Here are some photos, and trial 2 with the cold temperature had a very light color, as you can see. And in conclusion, our hypothesis was correct because when we used cold dye bath, the mordant didn't dissolve and the cell walls open up only a little bit, so only a little bit of dye stuck to the eggshell.